Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. I am back with a haul. This is going to be a collective haul today. We are going to do eBay, Party City, Amazon, and I think that's it. Yeah, if there's another store in there, I'll tell you, but looking at the pile, I don't think there is. Okay, so first up we have Amazon, and I saw this cute little set of buttons on there for Halloween, and as you guys can tell, I've been doing a lot of Halloween hauls because this is my first year like doing paper crafts and such, and I don't have anything Halloween, or I didn't, so I've been trying to like build up a stash. So I wanted to get some buttons, and I just poured them all out. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'm going to show you what I got. These are by Buttons Galore and More, and they just have some super cute buttons in this pack, like a little trick-or-treat bag, and I have an idea for at least one of my projects that I'm working on to use these buttons for. So I like that creepy tree and the witch's hat, little trick-or-treat bags. They have little spiders and cats. Oh, I can't grab the cat. And then like little pumpkins. There's a scarecrow. And then they just have like little pretty, you know, like plain purple buttons, and like they got that cute little witch. So just some fun theme, you know, Halloween themed buttons. So I thought that was a nice pack, variety pack to get. I also placed another order for buttons on another website. So that haul will be coming soon, and I'll show it to you. And then also from Amazon, I got this pack of buttons. They all came in one pack together, and I thought this was a good variety pack. And it has the Dress It Up brand buttons. So we've got, this one's called Turkey Trot, and it says, "Pick him, pardon me." Cute. And then we've got, this one's called Jackson Hat. So it's cute little jack-o'-lanterns and adorable hats. Look at that one, has a spider on it, and that one has bones. Then it's got scarecrows, and I love that pumpkin patch sign. And you guys, you don't have to use these buttons for like, to put on things like, I don't know, what would you put buttons on, clothes or whatever? You could actually use these to embellish things, and if you wanted to, you can just snip off the back of them and then just use them like in little projects. It had these cute little monsters. This one's called Monster Mash, and it had these gorgeous spiders. They're like velvety, like some of them are velvet or velour, and some of them are glittered, and I thought those were gorgeous. I love the zany zombies. Their eyes move. Look how cute they are. And then they have the Day of the Dead. I just love all the colors there. It also came with these jack-o'-lanterns and these bugs and blooms, which was so cute, and then raking leaves. I'm gonna try to link these for you guys because I know that they're probably not going to be easy to find. This one might be sold out on Amazon, but I think that there's another listing from the same seller on eBay. I'll try to list this one for you guys if you're interested. And then next from Amazon, I got this for a project that I'm working on. It's a bunch of beads. It's for the bee project, which you guys are probably sick and tired of me saying I'm buying stuff for the bee project. The bee project, when are you going to post the bee project? You've said it a million times. It's coming. It'll come towards the end of August. So I got these beads in the pack, and I got these gorgeous beads in the pack, and then it also came with white beads and these unfinished wood beads. So there's that. And next we have, trying to find, oh, I got this. I'd had this in my cart for a while, and I figure with Christmas coming up, it's gonna be sold out. And it is these 12 little beautiful deer from Tim Holtz. So I went ahead and grabbed it. I will link it if it is still available, but I thought these were so pretty, and you guys know I love deer, and I just love that they were teeny tiny, and I can do a ton of things with those. So I got those, and then I got this die, which I have an idea for Halloween. It is a book die, And it's actually multiple book dies with multiple sizes. So that's pretty cool. Like you can make all sorts of books with this. It even has like, what are they called? Bookmarker dies in the set. So it's called Album Paper Card Metal Set Book Cutting Craft Album Paper Card Decor. That's a long, interesting name. So I'll try to link that too, because I know it's not always easy to, like, you know, with Michael's and Joann's and all that kind of stuff, you guys can easily go inside a store and find it, or it's pretty easy to find on their website. But I know Amazon's not always like that, so I'll try to link everything from Amazon and eBay if they're still available. I'll go ahead and do that for you. So let's see, do we have, oh yeah, we got 2 more things from Amazon. So again, something for the bee project. There's something very exciting about these little bees, you guys, but you're not gonna be able to see it until I do the bee project. So I got these cute little, I love how it comes in this little container. I love how like a lot of Amazon stuff comes in like little containers that you can reuse. Even though they're more costly, like it kind of works out, because 1, it comes faster, and 2, a lot of times you have cute little containers to go with your stuff. So look at these cute little bees, you guys. Aren't they adorable? So again, I was looking for stuff for my bee project, and when I found these bees, I came across something that I was like, oh my gosh, I have to make that. So I'm so excited to show it to you guys if it turns out as I hope it will. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you, and hopefully it turns out really cute. Then the next thing is I got this package again for the bee project. So these are little seed beads. It's a package of seed beads, and I wanted to use them for some bead dangles that I'm going to be doing. And it came with this, what is this? Is this rubber or like stretchy? It came with 2 stretchy cords, which I probably won't use because I'm very particular about my stretchy cord. But this is what I got. So again, it's one of those things where it comes with its own little container, and I like the little striped beads that it had. That would go perfect with the bead project. And then also, you know, there's tons of other colors. Like this would be cute for Christmas, and these ones would be cute for Christmas. Winter, like a winter project, or even 4th of July with some of the red, white, and blue. You got those over there. So there's probably a lot of glare. Let me open this up. So there we go. So I thought that was a good buy. Nice to have. You know, seed beads can be expensive if you go out and buy them individually. Let's see. So the next, oh nope, 1 more thing from Amazon. I lied. Nope, 2 more things from Amazon. They're bee related as well. No, I'm lying. This is not Amazon. This is eBay. Okay. So I saw Creating to Create is her name on YouTube, and I saw she had done some bee embellishments, and she had used this bee die, and so I found it on Amazon and I got it. So I'm excited to try that. And it's either Created to Create or Creating to Create. I think it's Created to Create is her channel. And then let's see, is everything else from, oh, we've also got scrapbook.com, you guys. Okay, so I do have just a teeny tiny bit of stuff from scrapbook.com. When I placed the order, like every time you place an order with them, they always have like a freebie, it seems. So that day it was these heart puffy stickers were the freebie, so that's super cute. I'm gonna save those for Valentine's Day. And the whole reason why I went on there was to get this die set, because they had it. Normally you can get these at Joann's, Hobby Lobby, like every other week or 2 weeks, these go on sale for 50% off. But they were actually, the time that I went on scrapbook.com, they were a better deal than Hobby Lobby, so that's why I bought it there. So I got that. So super cute. And then I also have a Halloween project coming up with PHA Crafters, and it's gonna be like a cutesy Halloween. And so I wanted to get these little doodle bug stickers. So aren't they so cute? Look at those little spiders and the eyes. So I got those from there. So yeah, that was a teeny tiny haul from scrapbook.com. And then Party City. Just got a couple things from Party City. So I'm gonna be doing Pastelloween, and I came across these gorgeous colors of streamers, you guys, or crepe paper. So pretty. They were only $1. Thought it was a good deal. Now, if you compare them to Hobby Lobby's $1, not that great of a deal. But either way, they're colors I haven't seen anywhere else, so I went ahead and grabbed them. And then also from there, I picked up, I saw this cute confetti set for, it's a unicorn confetti set. So I was like, yes, I need this. So look how pretty it comes with sequins, and it comes with these sequins, and then it comes with all these little like die cut bits, which I thought was so cute. So I grabbed that for some future unicorn projects. Unicorn projects are probably gonna slow down unless somebody does like a Christmas themed or a Halloween themed one, but I don't know, I just grabbed them because I thought they were cute. And then I also got these pretty pink straws because I didn't have any in that color. Okay, so that was Scrapbook. No, that was Party City, and then now eBay. So I was looking for a particular die, a bee die that I had seen. Gosh, I wish I could remember what channel it was that I saw it on. I had watched so many like different bee themed videos, like, because I wanted to get some inspiration and kind of see like what are people doing for their bee projects and such. And I came across this one channel. I'm gonna see if I can remember her channel, I will link it. But she made the cutest beehives. And so I found the die that she used, and I went on eBay and I bought it. So here's the beehive. Now what I like about this one that's different than this one is that this one actually has like a shadow die that goes behind it. So you could put like, I don't know, like a black piece of paper or brown, you know, cut out like a black or brown one in the shadow, and then put like this in yellow over it, or vice versa. And this one doesn't do that. But I like the bee from here, and I like the honey stick, and I like this little baby bee, and so that's why I got this one. But I really got this one for the hive. And then it also came with, where did I do with it, you guys? It also came with a couple of other dies. I don't know what I did with it, but I will find it and show it to you. So that was from eBay. And then I also, oh, here it is. So here's the little bee with the wings, and you've got different things you can do with it. So that's a super cute set. I'll try to link that for you if it's still available. And then also on eBay, I came across, I don't think you guys are gonna be able to find these, but you'll be able to find some similar sets. So I found like a bunch of people are like grouping together they're kind of like destashing their Halloween stuff. And so I found this one listing where it had these super cute stickers of mummies and witches' boots and banners. And then look at these, you guys. Look at those. Those are so cute. And then I also found this, which is, looks like a Michaels brand, and it is glitter spider webs. And it looks like this person also sent some additional stuff in the back. So I thought that was cool. So let's open that and see what that looks like. So we've got 12 black glitter spider webs, which are so pretty. And then in the back, they must have done some die cutting, and they've included these, which is cool. That's awesome. So let me pull it apart so we can see what it looks like. This one's bent a little bit, but look at that. Let me see if I can put it up against the pink crepe paper so we can see it better. Look how pretty that is. That was neat that they had done that. So anyway, I'll try to link to everything that I found. And that's my haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope everybody's doing well. I've got a birthday challenge going on right now. In case you didn't know, we have a lot of new subscribers on the channel. Welcome, everybody. It's so good to have you here. I have a birthday challenge going on right now. There's going to be 3 winners. It's pretty simple to enter, and I will also link that birthday challenge video below. Go ahead and watch it, and yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.